Welcome to Uping Stock Trend Prediction channel. So in this video, I'll talk about the comparison of my prediction in video number 48, uploaded to YouTube on December 4th. And compare it with the actual real-time data of the Tesla stock price. And also I will predict the Tesla trend and also maximum and minimum value for the next week, for the coming week. Today is December 11th, Saturday. So Uping video number 48, uploaded to YouTube on December 4th. I predicted the Tesla stock price will have a decreasing momentum, decreasing trend in early week from the December 6th to December 10th. So in early week, the minimum value is 979 and the maximum value for the early week is $1,050. That's for early week. That's for prediction. And then I also predicted that it will start to rebound, and during the week, the maximum value of the Tesla stock price is $1,097 for the maximum value in the coming week. And that's a prediction uploaded to video number 48. And then after the prediction, what happened for the actual real-time Tesla data, and it have the same decreasing trend in early week. During the Monday, I will show you the real-time data. During the Monday, during the first 15 minutes on Monday, it decreased to $950. So this is a little bit different from this predicted minimum value, but the difference is just 3% out of the $950 unit share price. And then it started to rebound during the week, and then the maximum value of the coming week after the prediction is $1,072. So it looks like a little bit different from this predicted $1,097, but actually the difference is still relatively small. It's just about 2.3% out of the $1,072 unit share price. So that means the prediction error is still very good. I mean, it's relatively small for the prediction error. And you see, for the difference between this maximum value, 1,097, and a minimum value of 979, the difference between this band, this range, is just $118. That's a prediction. And the actual data between this maximum value of $1,072 and the minimum value of $950, the difference between this band is just $122. So you see there's just $4 of a difference between the predicted range of the maximum and minimum value and the actual data, actual range. So there's just $4 of a difference. $4 of a difference out of this about $1,072 unit share price is just about 0.5% relative error. And also the trend, the predicted trend for the early week and also for the actual week are also correct and consistent with the predicted trend. So I will show you more details about the real-time data, and also I will have some kind of a prediction about the Tesla stock price for the coming week. So this is a Tesla daily chart. And today is December 11th, Saturday. So this is the last Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, and Monday. So I predicted the Tesla stock trend in video number 48, uploaded on YouTube on December 4th. So I predicted in early week of this week, the Tesla will have the decreasing trend. And then you see when it opened at this price during the first 60 minutes or even during the first 15 minutes. So if you check the 15 minutes or 60 minutes chart, so during the first 60 minutes, and it dropped to $950, and you see during this daily chart, there's a special minimum value dot that will also appeared after we received the first data of the stock data, and it also appeared before it dropped down to this value, and you see it dropped to this special dot, minimum value dot, and reaches here and matches very well, and then started to rebound, started to increase, and so this trend is consistent with what was predicted. And then on Tuesday morning, it also increased to this maximum value. This is the 1,053, around $1,053. It's about $3 different from what was predicted in the video number 48. And that's Tuesday morning. Tuesday, that means still the early of the week. And then I also predicted then it will rebound, and then will kind of increase during the week. And this maximum value, this is $1,072, is also about 2.3% different from what was predicted for the maximum value. So if you check the 60 minutes chart, so this is December 10th, this is December 9th. So if you go to the December, this is December 7th, Tuesday, and this is December 6th. So you see this went opened at this value because it has a decreasing trend. It has a lower band located at this band. When it opened at this trend line, is kind of relatively high for this band, so it started to decrease, and it also exceeded another special data for this 60 minutes chart, and has a higher momentum for decreasing momentum, and then it decreased to this minimum value. That's that the daily chart is a special minimum value dot, and this happened just during the first 60 minutes. And if you check the 15 minutes chart, it's actually this rapid reduction of the price happened during the first 15 minutes of Monday morning. So that's an early Monday, earlier week. So and also during the Tuesday, and you see this maximum value. This maximum value is $1,053. It's $3 different from what was predicted in video number 48. I predicted 1,050, and this is $1,053. Tuesday, that's still early of the week. And this maximum value of the week, this one is $1,072. It's also about 2.3% different from what was predicted in video number 48. So many people will be interested in what will happen for the Tesla stock price for the next week, for the coming week, from December 13th to December 17th. So let's open the Tesla daily chart again. So this is a Tesla daily chart, and then this kind of trend lines, the yellow blue trend lines are predicted by the Uping prediction model. So you see this kind of a decreasing trend has decreased, so it kind of goes to a temporary transition period, and then in the early next week, the fluctuation range is in this range. And in early next week, it will have the decreasing momentum has decreased. And we'll start to have a little bit. We'll see some little kind of rebound or increase of the stock price during the early of next week. But when I say increase, and it may have a little bit of temporary decrease of the stock price, but you will see some kind of increase in early next week. So the maximum value will, for this level of maximum value, is $1,029.4. It will, I think it will exceed this maximum value. It may go to this level. This is $1,049, and then it will also kind of decrease. And this minimum value for early next week is $987. It may have a little bit more momentum and may drop to this kind of level. It's kind of $980. So this is early next week, but during the middle of the week or the later of the week, for the weekly chart, the trend is still have a decreasing trend. This is a Tesla weekly chart, and you see this still has a decreasing trend for the next week. And the last week it closed at this price. It's around $1,017, and then the next week general fluctuation region is in this region. So it may have a little bit more momentum, increasing momentum to exceed this maximum value, and may goes to around this area, and or when it approaches this minimum value, it may have a little bit more momentum to exceed this minimum value. So the general fluctuation range in this range, and this value for the next week is $924.87. That range, $924.87. So this maximum value is $1,057.6. So it may have a little bit more momentum to exceed it to this region around $1,090, something like that. So if you are more interested in this kind of analysis or prediction, you are welcome to subscribe Uping Stock Trend Prediction, or watch more video in YouTube. You can search Uping Stock Prediction.